Hi, thank you for watching this video. I'm Peter Daniel, professional researcher and data analyst. And in this video, I'll show you in simple steps how you can run a two-way analysis of variance using your SPSS. Now, for the purpose of this analysis, we have a few data sets here generated just to demonstrate how you can run a two-way analysis. And the scenario I'm painting here is a firm who wants to test the impact of 4 different training programs on the speed of tasks performed or number of tasks performed by the trainee or the participant, given that they are either male or female. So what that means is that we have two factors that will affect the tasks each of the participant or the trainee will perform. So we have 5 participants per training program. And to run this analysis, you launch your SPSS, of course. Now we can see that my spreadsheet here is blank. What I have done is to label the first one factor 1, the other one factor 2. Now that's next column, and this is the task performed. So I just entered it and I gave it a name, and okay, this is task performed. Task performed as a label now. Performed. Alright, so I gave it a value as well, and I say this is a training program 1, 2, 3 to 4. So you just give it values. Then of course the tasks should be measured in scale. Alright, so we haven't arranged this here. You go back to the data view. Now this is a major thing I need you to see in this analysis. That in each of the role is for each role we represent one participant. So since I have 4 training programs, it means that I should have 20 rows, that is row by column. So it means that if I will enter, this is 5 for the first training program. Of course, I can just come here to my the raw data and copy, and you paste it in the task perform. So that's that. Then I go to the second one, I copy, and I paste it here. So that I'll now call that the training program 2. So you discover that I'm having each row per participant, so each row per sample point, so that is how you want to get a good result. That's how the way to enter it. So this is okay, training program 3, and of course the last training program, the last but not the least, training program, copy, you paste as well. So I have the 4th training program. So like I said, we have 20 individuals, 20 trainee or 20 trainees or 20 sample point, row by column. Now this factor 2 is the gender, so I'll just enter randomly. So I say, let's see, the first training program had 3 male and 2 female. The next one had 3 females, 2 male. Okay, the next one, let's say they were all okay, all female. Sorry, all female. This one, let's say we have 3 males, 2 female. Now this is just to demonstrate how to run the analysis. This data, as you can see, it's just being generated now. So I say, I come to analyze. To get the two analysis of variance, I come to analyze general linear model, univariate. Okay, of course, okay, I did that initially. So what we have here is the dependent variable. We have the task performed. We want to see the impact on the task performed, and these are the training program and the gender, the 2 factors. So we have them here, and of course I don't want to do anything here. I want to plot the graphs of the factors and upload the two factors and separate lines. Add that. I want to see bar charts. Click on continue. The post hoc test, I want to conduct the LSD for that. And for the second factor, I want to conduct the Bonferroni text. Continue. Now I want to see the means of the factors. I want to see the means of the second factor. See the means of the other factor. I want to compare the main effect as well. So I use Bonferroni. Now these are all subject to what you want to do, but this is a general idea of how to run the analysis. I want to test for the homogeneity. I want to get the descriptive statistics. Okay, and of course I'm testing at 5%. You can change to 1 or 10, but for this analysis 5, and that's all. We are all set. So I click on OK. So SPSS will generate the result for us. All right, so we have our results. So this is where the result starts from. So these are our results. All right, that's descriptive statistics, and this is the Leibniz test of homogeneity. It's not expected to be significant. This is okay. So we've passed that assumption. Okay, now what has affected the task performed from this ANOVA? This is a two-way ANOVA. We see that the training program had impact on the task performed. However, the gender didn't have. So irrespective of the gender, they will have performed the same task. So now that the means, the dependent variable, and this is a comparison now, multiple pairwise comparison. Alright, so that's how the result will come. Then you just make do and do your interpretation. The result is quite okay. And okay, so thank you for watching this video. Now before going, can you kindly subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much.